Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make money online with just your phone. I know some of you be like, is this in pain? Have you withdraw from it? Yes, I have withdraw from it, and towards the end of this video or within the video I am going to show you how I withdrew my money and how they sent the money to me. I'm going to show you proof, okay, because I don't do things that doesn't work. I can't tell people things that doesn't work, okay? So stay tuned and watch this video carefully to the end, okay? So when I withdrew that money, I tried to withdraw little amount first to see if it's really paying, and it actually paid me, okay? Not one time, not two times. I withdraw. So please stay to the end, and please don't skip this video, because anytime you skip a video you are likely to miss the information you're not supposed to miss. So watch it to the end without skipping. That will be better. Now it doesn't matter what you are doing, whether you're a sit-at-home mom or sit-at-home dad, brother, sister, student, anybody, you can make money with just your phone. Now this site I'm showing you now is called Hawkit. This is Hawkit site, and you're going to be performing task with it, okay? So now they say perform social task and earn. I'm sure you have Twitter account, you have Facebook, you have Instagram, you have TikTok. Now those platforms are what you're going to be using, and you have WhatsApp. Those are what you're going to be using to make money, right? Now they say turn your social media account into a making money machine. How do you make money from this site? Now you earn daily income of up to 5,000 naira. This one no be mouth o, na real, for real. You earn up to 5,000 naira by following, liking, commenting, sharing, retweeting, or posting adverts for businesses on your social media. I'm sure most of you watch videos, you comment, you like. It's the same thing you're going to do here. You earn an instant referral commission of 500 naira when you refer someone to become a member on Hawkit. The more you refer, the more you earn. That is another thing. Imagine you referring like 10 people a day. You've already made 5,000 naira that day, and you can withdraw it directly to your bank account. Now you can sell faster on Hawkit. If you want to sell, you can sell. You can let your product to be seen by thousands of buyers, okay, daily. And then you can do your airtime business. If you are someone that is selling recharge card, you want to sell recharge card, or even from your home, from your hostel, you can be selling recharge card. Anybody that want to buy, you sell recharge card and get up to 10 to 50% discount. Do you know what that means? Hawkit is the way, I'm telling you. Now for you to register with Hawkit, all you need to do is click on go to hawkit.ng, okay? I'm going to put the link in either my comment section or my description, anywhere. I'm going to indicate the link, and then you go there and you register. When you're registering, use the code Bliss Babe. I'm going to write it on the screen. Use Bliss Babe as your referral, okay, as your reference. When you see they say put referral name or something, you're going to put that Bliss Babe. Type Bliss Babe there. If you register through my link directly, if you click on my link directly and register, you're going to see the Bliss Babe will automatically be there, meaning that I was the one that referred you. And if I refer you now, you're going to get more percentage. Like for example, if you want to be liking posts, some posts they might say take this post, comment on this post and earn 10 naira, 20 naira. But with my code now, if you register through my link, they're going to give you the percentage. Like instead of you to earn 10 naira per post, you're going to earn 100 naira per post, which is something. If you perform like 10 posts a day, that's already 1,000 naira, and you withdraw it to your bank account. So register through my link. I'm going to put the link in my profile or in my comment section. So check the comment section and register through my link. If you can't find the link, wherever you see, put your referral name or referral number or reference. You're going to type Bliss Babe. So that is how to do it. So I've withdraw all my earnings. That is why you see everything is zero here. So this, you can see I have 214 tasks for me to perform. 214 tasks. That's 214 tasks now. Imagine me if I have time, because I don't have time. If you have time to perform tasks, 100 naira in 10 places. How much is that? 1,000 naira. 100 naira in 20 places. That's how much is that? 2,000 naira a day. 100 naira times 30 places, that's 3,000 naira a day. Talk more of 100 naira times 100 places, or 50 naira times 100 places. How much is that? So you make the calculation, you mathematics yourself and calculate it and see how much you can make in a day. Yes, you can make more than 5,000, more than 10,000 in a day. It depends on your hard work. This is me. I want to withdraw my money from Orchid's account. Okay, so now click on withdraw. Okay, you can withdraw as low as 500, 200, 300, anyhow you want to withdraw. So now you can see I have 566 naira. So enter the withdrawal. You can see my bank account is already there. My first bank account is already there. So click on enter withdrawal amount. So let me say I want to do 500 naira. So they're going to deduct 11 naira fee from that 500. So I don't want them to touch the 500. So let me do 511. Okay, now 511, they're going to send 500 naira to me. Okay, let me see. Let me do 555 naira. Okay, so even if they deduct it, let me put my password. Okay, you can see confirm withdrawal. To continue your request, please enter the 2-factor sent. You can see they sent a code to me, so I'm going to put that code 826961. Okay, once you put the code, you're going to click on continue. Your transaction, you see, that's debit transaction. They've removed the money now. Approved. Your withdrawal transaction is successful. The money will arrive into your provided bank account within 24 hours. Thank you for choosing Orchid. So that is it. Let me go to withdrawal history. So awaiting. You can see that the one that I withdrew, because the first time I wanted to try it, I did 317 naira. That was what I had, and I had to withdraw that 317 naira, and they sent it to me. You can see that one, withdrawal processed. That one was already completed. It came to my bank account. And then this one too now is the same thing. It's awaiting. Once it's completed, they will write the same thing, withdrawal proceed. So once I receive it, I'm going to show you in my first bank account. Thank you. So you guys can see that Orchid have credited me the 555 naira. Look at it. You can see Orchid there. So that is it. Okay, so I'm logging in now. Okay, I'm logging into Orchid right now. Let me view my profile and show you guys. So you guys can see that after withdrawal, my shopping wallet is now 0.00, meaning I've not performed any task, I've not done any work now. So let me show you that my withdrawal history. So you can see now 555 naira, they've sent it, and that's why you're seeing withdrawal processed. Okay, so that's how it works. You remember that I had 566 naira then before I withdrew that money. So the 11 naira, they've already taken it, and that 555 naira was what I was able to withdraw. They did not take anything out of it. They've already removed from the 566 naira. That was why I was left with 555 naira. So guys, Orchid is paying you very well. That little investment, that 1,000 naira, you're going to get more than that, because the more you are performing tax, the more you are gaining money. Let me go to, if you want to perform tax, just come to earn. Okay, then how do you want to earn money? Do you want to resell products, or do you want to earn by posting and commenting on adverts? Anyhow, click on get started. I want to show you the adverts one now. Let me show you. Now look at, for example, this Twitter post. They say post this advert on your Twitter and earn 100 naira. 100 naira, meaning that if you can post things like 10 things a day, you have earned 1,000 naira. And guess what? You can withdraw that 1,000 naira from Orchid directly to your bank account. Okay, now look at this this TikTok one. Post advert on TikTok and you're going to earn 100 naira. You post, okay, just imagine today now you come to Twitter, you did 100 naira. You go to TikTok, you did 100, and that's 200. You post on Facebook, that's 300. You post on Instagram, that's 400 naira. WhatsApp on, look at this one. They say post advert on WhatsApp and earn 50 naira. That's 450. Okay, there's so many tasks. You keep on refreshing. The more you refresh, the more you see adverts. The more you refresh, the more you see adverts. And you do perform all those tasks. You can see perform engagement tasks. That's 190 tasks already available. So you now, if you want to perform tasks, you keep on doing that. Before you know, you make 1,000 every day, 1,500, 2,000, depends on your work. So the more you do, the more you earn, and you can, if you any amount you can withdraw, even if it's 200 now, you can withdraw to your bank account. I'm telling you, I've already shown you guys where I withdrew 300 now already, because I wanted to know that I wanted to be sure that this thing actually works. So guys, please, that little 1,000 that you are seeing, they tell you to do that 1,000, you're going to get more than that. That's just it. You're going to get more than that. So in this life, everything is investment. Even if you want to go to work, you want to start a business, you will always invest. Is it POS business? You go and pay for POS, you pay for kiosks. You get. So you want to start want to do self provision, of course you need to pay for space. You need to buy at least umbrella. Anything, you have to invest. So that small token that they say 1,000 naira, it will go a long way. You can see what I've withdrawn. Shall we see? You can see what I've done here. So that is it, guys. Thank you for watching.